So, good evening, good evening, good evening. We are back again. Arsenal 4, Leicester City 2. And it was the Gabriel Jesus show. Before we get into talking about Gabriel Jesus, before we get into talking about the mad game that we witnessed this afternoon, make sure you are smashing the likes through the roof on this. Big up to everybody who watched the watch along as well. And I know I'm Ozark settings right now. I know I'm in the forest. We're doing this on a smashed up iPhone because I dropped it. It's a miracle how that watch along even happened. So yeah, big up to everybody who stuck with it, because the first hour of that before the kickoff, that was hard work. That was probably the worst quality, the worst sound. The music was going mad everywhere, and it wasn't great. So big up to everybody, and the signal was absolutely woeful at times as well. So big up to all of you guys, man. Every single one of you, whether you like me or not, couldn't care less if you don't like me. But if you don't like me and you watch it, big up. If you do like me and you watch it, big up. And make sure you are smashing the likes, the dislikes, whatever you want. Spam your comments. You can put a super chat in, and it does really trigger top gooners if you hit the thanks option and give me money. They don't like it. So if you want to do that, that's up to you. The highest one will be pinned. I'll reply to every single one of you. Obviously, it won't be immediately because I'm going to be doing Jez next, and then Kenny, who's at the game. And then we'll be doing player ratings as well, live from the woods in El Chorro. And this is beautiful. Google it. Come here. Camping in El Chorro is stunning. But anyway, Arsenal won 4-2. Gabriel Jesus. Oh my days. This guy on another day could have had 7, and that ain't even a joke. He should have had a hat-trick or more in the first half. There was 2 chances that he missed in the first half where he should have probably buried both. There was one where he should have dinked it maybe, and he tried to put it in the bottom corner. Keeper made a good save. There was one where he rolled Johnny Evans, and I think it was Wilfred Ndidi. Yes, Ndidi. Come back, got a last-ditch tackle. Second half, missed an absolute sitter. That was like Martinelli's one against Man City, just the ref weren't in the way this time. Add on top of that, the one where he wriggled through and pull it just wide. That was shades of Salah against Man City. He was quality today, man. By far and away, the best footballer on the pitch today. Yeah, I thought everything he did from the first whistle all the way to the final minute he played, absolutely top class. And it looks like he's got the fire in his belly. It looks like he's looking to prove a point, not just to himself, but to maybe Pep, but also to the Brazil national team manager that, yo, I'm here, I've arrived. I'm going to that World Cup because there's no way you can't pick me. And he should have had a hat-trick. It's the only thing I'll say. I'm a little bit gutted that he didn't get a hat-trick today because he fully deserved the hat-trick. He got 2 goals. If you want to count assists and all of that, he got 2 assists. But let's take it back to the first goal. Oh, my God. When that goal went in, I said that was like Alexis in the Europa League. And it was like Alexis' goal against Ludogorets. It was composure. It was time. It was spotting it, the vision, the execution. Everything about his game today was levels. And I mean levels clear of everyone. See, clip all of this, by the way. Stick this on your Twitter accounts. Oh, Lee's toxic and negative. Let's see if we can profit off another win. Because that's 3 in a row if you include Sevilla. 100,000 views over them 2 videos, by the way. So make sure you like the video. Because I am being positive. I'm a top gooner right now. I'm even wearing the merch. Wheel out righty. But no, he was superb. Absolutely class. And he fully deserved the hat-trick. And a little bit gutted for him that he didn't get it, because everything he did today was sick. He got 2 assists as well. And yeah, I thought he was comfortably man of the match. I don't know if he got man of the match because it doesn't show you on DAZN. So leave it in the chat because obviously I've not seen anything since. But Gabriel Martinelli, I want to talk about him today. Again, another great performance. I had him down as second man of the match, if that's a thing. Second best player on the pitch. He got a great goal, lovely little cool finish. He was buzzing around. He was working hard. You know, everything he did today pretty much paid off as well and pretty much came to fruition. And I thought he was quality. Like, when you've got them 2 firing, you don't necessarily need Saka. Yeah, because Saka didn't really do anything today. He weren't in the game. He was not necessarily marked out the game, but it was all going down Martinelli's side. He wasn't getting himself in the game. And we didn't really miss Saka. And that was testament to how good them 2 were. Yeah, really, really great performances from both of them. Let's go to Granit Xhaka. Granit Xhaka giving it that one. I wonder whether he's going to park his car up near the Tolly and go and speak to the fans. He wants to get involved with the fans. So let's see if he's going to go and speak to the fans today, or if he's just going to drive past them, quickly sign the shirt at the traffic lights outside the Tolly, and then go home. That's probably what he's going to do. So, but today he got a goal. If you want to put him and credit him with the assist for Gabriel Jesus's goal, then you can do that. That's up to you. That's why I don't really take assist stats seriously at times, because Jesus did all the work. Granit Xhaka popped it off 2 yards. Great finish, great goal. But Saka was really good today. Yeah, really good today. And it was when I speak about Granit Xhaka and say that he's had a good performance, normally you don't notice him, or he's scored and he's not been an idiot. Yeah, and he did everything today. Didn't really notice him at times. Scored, and he weren't an idiot. So well done to Granit Xhaka. Well done to you, my friend. Well done. Third best player on the pitch. Thomas Partey, I thought was good as well. Let's come to some players that weren't so great today. Martin Odegaard. I didn't even see him. I can't lie. Yeah, that side of the pitch was null and void. We didn't really see anything from Ben White. We didn't see anything from Saka. We didn't see anything from Odegaard, because everything was coming down the other end, on the other side. And yeah, man, maybe that'll work against Leicester. Let's see how we go, because listen, we didn't really miss any of them players today because the performance was so good overall. But William Saliba, bro, you scored one of the best own goals I'm going to see this season. Mad, absolutely mad. And it's a shame, because I thought he had a good game. I'm a poet, I fully know it. But sadly for him, he's going to walk off the pitch, hanging his head in shame, upset with himself that he's got an own goal. But I thought overall he defended pretty well. Gabriel, I don't think he played great at all today. I thought he was shocking for the Maddison goal. I thought there was a moment where it could have been a penalty, which was waved away by VAR on the replay when the ref went over. First instinct was, whoa, that's a penalty. Ramsdale could be in trouble here. But why are Gabriel, Saliba, and the goalkeeper not communicating in them situations? Saliba and Saliba and Ramsdale should be communicating as they're coming towards each other. Gabriel has played with Ramsdale how many times? Ramsdale does not need to come running out like that. I didn't think he was great at all today. He made one camera save. Other than that, I thought he was pretty poor. I really do. I thought he was pretty poor today. You know, the goal going through his legs, it was shocking defending from Gabriel. It was poor from the goalkeeper to get beaten at your near post. But overall, it didn't really matter. The one thing I will say, though, is today was, I wouldn't say total domination, because it wasn't. They had a penalty shout which got waved away. They had Fofana jinking through our team. But that was maybe a 75% good performance today for the majority of the game. The other 25%, they created 4 really, really good chances, 5 really good chances. And that's where I worry about this football club, because them 5 chances that they created, on another day it is a penalty. On another day, Fofana does score. On another day, yeah, they do go and get a few more maybe. I'm just putting it out there. Oh, but you're negative. Enjoy a win. No, I'm realistic, mate. And ultimately, at the end of the season, yeah, you'll all be making excuses again and say, let's go to another transfer window. But that's for another stream. For today, overall performance, decent. Some individual performances were poor. Some great performances, like I've said, I've just mentioned who was. And substitutions. Why did it take so long to sub some of these players on? Why did it take so long to sub Saka off the pitch? Because I'll tell you now, if that was Pepe, he would have been hooked at half time or 50 minutes. But Saka, you stay on until 83 minutes, mate, when you've done nothing all game. But listen, it is what it is. We've got the win. We move on to Bournemouth. Man City pumped them 4-0 today. Erling Haaland didn't get in on the goals. But make sure you are subscribed to the channel. Make sure you stick a massive thumbs up on this video, people. Come on, big up to all of you lot. You lot are real ones, yeah? Whether you like me or not, you still come and watch me every single day. That is dedication. Because if I don't like somebody that is not my football club, because I have an invested interest in my football club, because I've supported them for nearly 4 decades. But if I don't have an invested interest in somebody, I would never dedicate that much time to watching them. So big up to all the people that don't like me, that watch me every day. Make sure you're not getting bullied at work all week. Make sure you're on it. We are the Rat Army, says it there. And we are the Wet Flannel Army as well. Obviously, big up Scotty Boy Groomer. And on that bombshell, people, have a blessed Saturday. Enjoy the Man United game, which is about to kick off in 4 minutes as I record this. Kenny and Jez will be coming up soon, then player ratings. We're out of here. Arteta Fuera.